Homeowners looking for Casement Windows Middleburg, Florida can find stylish, durable, and practical options designed for Florida weather. From residential Casement Windows Middleburg to modern Casement Windows Middleburg, these windows are a smart fit for homes throughout Middleburg, Florida, Black Creek, Clay County, and nearby communities. New casement windows for homes in Middleburg, Florida improve airflow, natural light, curb appeal, and daily comfort while offering simple crank operation that works well in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and baths. Energy performance is a major reason many families choose energy-efficient Casement Windows Middleburg for home upgrades. Insulated Casement Windows Middleburg, double-pane Casement Windows Middleburg, and high-efficiency casement windows near Green Cove Springs, Florida help reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and support lower utility bills. Many property owners in Clay Hill, Orange Park, and Fleming Island also choose energy-saving casement windows Clay Hill, Florida because they help create a more comfortable interior during hot, humid summers and changing seasonal conditions. Storm protection matters in Northeast Florida, making impact-resistant Casement Windows Middleburg a strong investment. Hurricane-rated Casement Windows Middleburg and storm-proof casement windows in Middleburg, Florida are built for strength, security, and peace of mind during severe weather. Homeowners searching for hurricane-impact casement windows near Jacksonville, Florida often prefer reinforced frames, strong locking systems, and upgraded glass packages that help protect homes across Middleburg, Jacksonville area neighborhoods, and communities near Doctors Inlet, Florida. Replacement projects are popular for older homes needing better function and efficiency. Casement window replacement Middleburg and affordable casement window replacement Clay County give homeowners a way to replace worn, drafty, or outdated units with better performing products. Replacement casement window contractors Middleburg can help with sizing, product selection, and installation planning for homes near Fleming Island, Florida, Lakeside, Florida, and Bel Air Meadowbrook Terrace, Florida. Many customers also look for licensed casement window contractors Middleburg, Florida to ensure dependable workmanship and code-conscious service. Material choice can shape both the look and long-term maintenance of a window upgrade. Vinyl casement windows Middleburg are popular for affordability, durability, and easy upkeep, while aluminum casement windows Middleburg offer slim profiles and strength. Wood casement windows Middleburg remain a favorite for classic character and warm interior aesthetics. Middleburg, Florida vinyl casement window installation is especially common for homeowners wanting practical, affordable casement windows Middleburg that complement traditional and contemporary homes throughout Middleburg, Florida. Custom sizing is essential when a home has unique openings or a more personalized design plan. Custom casement windows Middleburg in Middleburg, Florida. Custom size casement windows are ideal for remodels, additions, and one-of-a-kind layouts. Homeowners near Oakleaf Plantation, Florida often search for custom casement windows near Oakleaf Plantation, Florida when standard windows do not match their architectural style. Whether the goal is clean lines, wider glass areas, or better ventilation, a casement window company Middleburg can provide tailored solutions for both classic houses and modern construction. Specialty room upgrades make a visible difference in comfort and convenience. Bathroom casement windows Middleburg help increase privacy, fresh air, and moisture control, while kitchen casement windows Middleburg are often installed above sinks and counters where easy opening is important. Middleburg, Florida bathroom casement window installers can recommend compact or frosted glass options, and kitchen casement window replacement near Bel Air Meadowbrook Terrace, Florida is a practical choice for households wanting more light and easier ventilation in high-use spaces. Installation quality affects appearance, performance, and longevity. Casement window installation Middleburg should be handled by experienced crews who understand weather sealing, opening mechanisms, alignment, and local building needs. Casement window installers. Clay County, Florida and premium casement window installation near Argyle Forest, Florida serve homeowners seeking dependable workmanship for remodels and upgrades. A local casement window company in Middleburg, Florida can often provide faster scheduling, area-specific recommendations, and a better understanding of what performs best in homes around Black Creek, Orange Park, Florida, and Green Cove Springs, Florida.